What is the process of depositing a check through a picture of a check?
Hello, and welcome to this comprehensive guide on mobile check deposits. If you've ever wondered how to deposit a check using a picture of it, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk you through the entire process, making it as simple as possible.
What is mobile check deposit?
Mobile check deposit is a feature provided by many banks and financial institutions that allows you to deposit a check into your account using your smartphone. It's done by capturing images of the front and back of a check and submitting it through the bank's app. It's quick, secure, and can save you a trip to the bank.
What do you need to deposit a check using a picture?
Before we get started, you'll need a few things: a smartphone with a working camera, your bank's mobile app installed on your phone, a physical check that you want to deposit, a dark, well-lit surface to take clear pictures of the check. Remember, safety first. Always make sure to download the banking app from a trusted source like Google Play Store or Apple App Store.
How to deposit a check using a picture?
Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process. 1. Sign in to your bank's mobile app. 2. Look for the Deposits or Check Deposit option within the app. The exact wording might vary from bank to bank. 3. Select the account you wish to deposit the check into. 4. Enter the amount written on the check. 5. Now, you'll be asked to take a picture of the front and back of your check. Make sure the check is placed on a dark, well-lit surface and that the whole check is in the frame. The image should be clear and legible. 6. After taking the pictures, verify the details and submit the deposit. 7. Wait for confirmation. Your bank will review the images and process the check deposit. Remember to keep the physical check until the funds are available in your account. Once the deposit is confirmed, you may safely discard the check as per your bank's instructions.
What are some common issues and how to avoid them?
Sometimes, you may encounter issues while depositing a check using a picture. The common problems include blurry or poorly lit photos. Make sure to take clear, well-lit photos of your check. Incorrect check amount. Always double-check the entered amount against the written amount on the check. Signatures are missing. Ensure that the check is properly endorsed. By paying attention to these details, you can ensure a successful mobile check deposit. And that's it. With this guide, you should now be able to deposit a check by taking a picture of it using your bank's mobile app. It's easy, convenient, and saves you valuable time. If you have further questions, don't hesitate to contact your bank's customer support for assistance. Thanks for watching, and happy banking!